friends, welcome to our channel 12th standard botany 10th lesson oda book back 1 mark question oda answers in the video la paakalam. First question oda answer option B, second question oda answer option A, third question oda answer option D, fourth question oda answer option A, fifth question oda answer option D, sixth question oda answer option A, seventh question oda answer option A, eighth question oda answer option D, ninth question oda answer option C, 10th question oda answer option B, 11th question oda answer option D, 12th question oda answer option C, 13th question oda answer option C, 14th question oda answer option C, 15th question oda answer option C, 16th question oda answer option C, 17th question oda answer option D, 18th question oda answer option B, 19th question oda answer option D, question number 20 oda answer option B, question number 21 oda answer option A. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். மறக்காம நம்ம சேனலை லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.